so it's already 8. Here at the airport waiting for a flight to go to Buffalo. We're gonna make the drive back down to Florida, just 24-hour trip. So yeah, it's gonna be really cool. I have someone picking me up, very good friend, Ilse. Oh, it's cold. Oh my God. Wow. It's super cold in here. Out here. Oh, that has to be my ride. Check it out, Prince Action here.
Well. Look what the cat dragged in.
What's happening?
Are you going to
Trevor?
be my co-pilot today?
I guess so.
Welcome to Buffalo, my friend. How are you?
Good. Thanks for picking me up, man.
No problem. We're
Very sweet.
gonna take 3 at last on its first long distance road trip.
Ah, sweet.
Raphael decided to fly all the way from Florida to meet me to drive all the way back down to Florida.
Yep, exactly. It's gonna be
Let's
sweet.
do this, man. Let's do this.
I love the wheels, man.
Yeah, these are nice, eh? You like those? These are,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Ian's thing.
Look, the car looks like it's matte. Did you? Is
It
it
is.
just the
It's the
snow
sand,
and
yeah.
the sand?
Yeah,
Is that what it is?
Expel Stealth.
Wow.
I know it's filthy though. We'll wash it when we get to your
Oh
place.
man, yeah, absolutely. All right, so yep, I'm
Let's
gonna
get
spend what, like 15, 20 minutes in New York and then head out.
Right back, man.
Sweet. All right, let's do it.
Oh, you're live streaming.
I'm doing both. I'm like, go ahead.
Are you doing that on Twitter?
That was on Twitter live. Yeah.
Good one. Cool.
So we're going to make our first stop on the trip right now. I'm here with Trevor, and we're in Buffalo, New York, and we're gonna see something special, something we've never seen before in person.
I've never seen it.
Yeah. So this is gonna be interesting. So check it out.
Gigafactory New York. Anyways, they make the solar panels on the solar roofs here.
Hey, so I'm here with Trevor, and we decided to make a quick stop here. As you see behind us, we have the Tesla Gigafactory 2. And let's see if I can put that kind of better right there. There's Trevor. So we don't have a visitor's pass or anything like that, so we're just gonna, like take pictures here and keep going. So we're just going straight home, straight down to Florida. And just wanted to show you. It looks beautiful from here.
I'd like to see the inside of the factory, but
Yeah, that would be sweet. So
hey, Elon, if you're watching, we'd like to have a tour.
yeah,
Make it happen.
exactly. So, our first stop of the trip, Erie. Trevor's trying to find a way to park here. See the camera. Say hi.
Hola.
Yay.
All right. Put her in.
And what I'm gonna do now is I'm probably gonna put my jacket on.
Yeah,
Because-
you will need your jacket.
Yeah, it's pretty cold here. It's even colder than it was before. So, all right, let's check out the superchargers in Erie.
We just arrived in Erie, and yes, of course, we got the battery low message. Duh. Okay. You gotta go plug in. Oh.
Evidence. The evidence. All right. So I got to see a little bit of old snow. So there's like an animal walking there. Dog footprints. Oh God, it's cold. All right. Hopefully I don't fall on my ass here. I know, right? I was kind of afraid a little bit to hit that snowbank.
You Florida guys.
I know, right? Oh, I feel it now a little bit on my bones. Yeah, Mr. 3 at last.
3 at last.
I think I'll keep calling your cars White Knights.
White Knight 2?
Yeah, it's cold. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Hey, ¿qué está pasando? Hey, what's going on? We are in South Carolina right now. Estamos en Carolina del Sur. Hace un frío. It's really cold here right now. And the spaceship right there. I've been driving for the past few hours. Yo he estado manejando por las últimas horas. Y Trevor estaba descansando. Todavía sigue descansando ahí. Yeah, so Trevor's still resting in the car. This time, there's no flickering light. Those that have followed my my road trips know that every time I stop here for the past 2 years, there's been a flickering light pole, like one of those. It was always flickering, so now it's not. Now it looks really good. So I'm glad, because that was annoying. Now it's about 30 degrees. Hace un frío aquí, como 30 grados de Fahrenheit. Anyway, nada, estoy compartiendo parte del viaje este. Just sharing part of this drive. We started about, 2 o'clock and it's already 4 a.m. We still have ways to go. Empezamos como a las 2 de la tarde. Todavía nos queda bastante por hacer, so vamos a seguir por ahí manejando y escuchando música. Esto está bueno. El carro de Trevor está buenísimo. Trevor's car's looking really, really good. Really nice. Those custom wheels. Nice. Alright. So, from South Carolina, I say goodbye. I'll talk to you later. De Carolina del Sur, me despido. Así que hablamos luego. Chao. So I just arrived from Buffalo, New York. We drove from Buffalo, New York down to Miami, and here is my car. My car has just been finished. It looks insane. It looks beautiful. I'm extremely happy with the job done with my car. We just wrapped it in that incredible color. So acabo de llegar aquí a Miami, a donde está Signature Wraps, y me acaban de terminar el Model 3. Quedó espectacular. Lo puedes ver ahí, esta es la tienda de Signature Wraps que está ahí detrás de mí. Y estoy súper contento con el trabajo que hicieron. Me encanta, me fascina. Ahora, ya tú sabes, como siempre, a viajar, a hacer nuestras aventuras. Y esto está empezando solamente. Deja que vean todas las modificaciones que le vamos a hacer. Quedó perfecto, espectacular.